Hey, Dirty Wrench, Honest Mechanic here. Today we're going to be finishing off our panels that we started here, our door and our front door here and our rear door. We did body work on it and skin coated it, and I put a guide coat on here. Basically this is just a spray on guide coat. A lot of people will use the powdered guide coat. I use that a lot of times, but I don't really need that for this job. So this is just a spray on. Basically you just spray it on over the body work, and then sand that off, and anywhere where you need more sanding, it'll still be black with a primer, and you just keep sanding that down until that's all gone. I'm going to show you here in a minute. But this is our guide coat, and we're going to sand it, and we're going to get it down ready for our primer and our final paint. So let me get my mask on here. This stuff really gets to me if I don't wear a mask. Okay, we got our mask on, ready to go. And I probably should have told you this before. So we have an electric DA sander. Sometimes I use an air, sometimes I use electric. But this is a pad that I have. It's a soft pad, so it won't put any marks in the bodywork. If you used a hard pad down here, you'd end up putting gouges in that. But this is a soft pad, and you can go over the bodywork and it won't hurt it at all. So let's start sanding this down and see what happens. I got this set on about 3. Number 3 right here. So here we go. Now I'm going to bring the camera over here and I'll show you these spots. This is what the guide coat will bring out. This came out pretty nice. There's not really any spots that I see right here right now. No sand scratches, a couple little spots that need to be sanded a little bit more. But I'm going to bring the camera over here so we can look at this a little bit closer.